First off, I'm going to show you my weapons. My weapon right here. I go, I see a bird, I'm like, stop! Alright. I try to hide this one from my little kids. Right here, my axe. I use this mostly. This is where this axe. I use this to like cut off chickens' heads to put my dick inside of it. That's how my kids were born. They came out of a chicken in an egg. Now they're chicken people. Yes, chicken people. It happens. Well, I use this sometimes, open the chest. I take the heart and I throw it at people. It's really fun doing that. Because they're like, what the fuck? Right. I tied the birds up. Tied them up. And beat them a couple of times. I'm like, what are you hiding? They're like, nothing. But they don't say that. They go, tweet, 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 tweet. I'm like, what are you hiding? They're like, and they pull a gun out on me. And I start beating them up. Trusty. I use this one right here. I'm holding it backwards, sorry. I go, and I'm like, woocha! And I sometimes chop off their, like, they have half of their body only. You know what's the best part on a bird? The freaking legs. I eat them. I cook it, then I eat it. It's kind of rusty. Okay. Okay. Right here. My little pumper. I go. I put the bird's mouth on them. And they're like, what the fuck are you doing? And I'm like, nothing! So I go, and I pump it up! Pump it up! Yeah! Pump it up! Yeah! And so while I'm pumping it up, you turn into a balloon. Then I go. Sometimes I give it to my kids. Sometimes I give it to my kids. Yes, I give it to my kids. And they're like, yeah! A chicken, bird, whatever, shit, balloon. And I go. And sometimes I go up, pump them up. Yeah, pump it up. Yeah. And then I go, get a needle or my axe. And I pop them. And they're like, it's really fun. Sorry. My bat here. I go. I ask my kids. Like, okay, come on, right down the middle. I go, and they're like, okay, Daddy. And so I go, I'm like, whoa. And you see the birds flying, and they fly away, and then I'm like, okay, shotgun, and they die. Inside this baseball, there's probably a million ball sacks of birds. You don't want to touch that anymore. Let's go in the back. Trying to find the birds now. Fuck. Can't grab it. Fuck. Got it. I have a dart in here. I go, look. I kill them. Sometimes I just go like that. Works easier sometimes. Okay, let's go. Here, birdie, birdie, birdies. I'm doing a mating call. They want to fuck me after this call. That's it for today, people.